to the side, come to the side, come to the side, come to the side. I'm scared. Don't be scared. Look, ang nandun sa nature. Hello people! Today is a beautiful day and of course we have another beautiful vlog for today. Isasama ko kayo sa aming A Day in Bukidnon with Kids. One day tour lang ito kaya sobrang aga naming umalis from our place which is it took 4 to 5 hours na drive. As in, tulog pa ang iba lalo na ang mga bata. Nag-rent kami ng van para mas comfortable ang biyahe kasi mas mahaba ang travel at mas okay kapag relax ang kids. Road trip muna tayo habang unti-unting nagigising ang lahat. So relax lang, enjoy the ride and tara, sama na kayo sa aming adventure. Welcome to Bukidnon! So, andito kami ngayon sa Bukidnon kasama si Crystal, kapatid ko, ayun, pamangkin ko, at saka yung family ng sister ko. Busy si Crystal, nag-picture.
What is that?
You can cross? Come on. I cross first or you go first?
It's gonna fall down.
I'll go first. Come on. Hold mommy. Hey yo. Oh! It's okay. Don't scare. Hold the phone. Krista, don't be scared. Don't scared. Baby, don't scared. Okay. See? Why are you scared? Do you like the view? Si Chantal at yung kapatid ko. Chantal! Hi!
Si Chantal, tiwa, nagsingit-singit ang ate, nagsingit-singit.
Talawan kaayo. Mag-rent me og drone. Kay barato lang siya. Pag mag-solo, let's go. Pag mag-solo is 350. Pag group is 500. Mag-group lang kami, family. Wow, really nice there. You can run, Chantal. So we're gonna go to lake to para sa drone. Surprisingly, hindi ako naiinitan. So si kuya ang sa mua. Mag-drone. Hala, may kabayo. Kuan, pwede ikaw magukod.
Bila mo kabuk, ma'am? Napa?
Oh, nara duha. Yay! Hello, baby. Dahilayan Forest Park Resort. Shanta, look at this. Knock knock. Monkey. Chicha, you see the monkey?
That's a gorilla.
There. What is that? Oh, giraffe. Here is cooling. Yeah. So, we gonna ride later. So, nakapasok na kami dito sa Dahilayan Resort. Yung entrance is 100. Same kina Crystal, pero sa Chantal is free. Iba pa yung ticket for the rides. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano. Basta ang alam ko lang yung extreme rides ang gusto ko. Ay, nalagkuyog. Papal. Dahilayan Razor. We gonna ride Razorback.
Maragani blast na ba ni?
Okay everyone, I repeat. Okay, during the ride lang, bawal ang cellphone. So keep your phone na lang para sa safety ninyo. Then you can take a video naman po during the ride if you have a GoPro 360 action cam. Then to control lang po, push lang pag go, then pull backward pag brake. Again, tulak nyo lang pag go, pahatak lang po pag brake. And during the ride, always maintain distance lang po para iwas pang para safety. Oops! Uy! Uy, magkuhan lagi mo! Uy! Uy, mukalit man, maghunong ka! Aray! Paisa! Uy, mahimay lagi ko ay! Aray! Uy! Mga gay, kulo! Nauna! Ay, mga gay! Ay! Mabakilit! Mabakilit lagi ay! Aray ko! Aray ko! Gang, mabakilit lagi, gang! Okay. Wala na sila! Ana. Pero mabakilit lagi kayo siya. Ano? Ano? Lahat lagi ka dili. Okay. Drive slowly at braking section.
Ano man? Sige, go. I-push yun. Super push.
Nga ma-pull?
Wala man.
Push gang, push.
Push your body. Jud, i-pull, Jud.
Ulan, bakit mo patulak mo? Ulan.
Asa na sila?
Pusing lang mo.
Kuya, normal na kami.
Normal na sa core blind, ma'am. Sabay lang ang body niyo sa core blind.
Sige, sige.
Pusing lang ang controller.
Apin akong ikuan. Hoy, usa. Hoy, nagkuan na, nag-traffic jam. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Gang! Ang pinakaadlo kay mo, bakilit manggod siya. Okay. Hindi na ako masinggit. Agoy. O, di lagi mapugan, makasinggit. Okay. Okay. Ay, okay na siya dere, pero bakilid ko, nga naman. Ay, sige pa, kusog na. Hello. Ala! Bakilid lagi ko. Yay! Ay, nindot na rin pagpaspas. Ay, di na ko mahadlok gang. Good job sa akin. Di na ko mahadlok sa bakilid. Ah! Aray, sakit sa kamot. Ay! Di na lagi mo andar ako ah. Ay, Jesus. Look, nandun sa nature. Woo! Woo! Oh, dili na siya look. Wait! Ay, finish na? Uy, alanganin. Uy, imbis ko anak ko. Kanang...
Kuha ng kamada.
Oh. Finish line na.
Diretso.
Ihulong man siya iya. So, yun lang. Tapos na yung ano namin, Razor Ride. Ay, saan ba papunta? Ah, mali ata itong napuntahan ko. Saan yung exit? We're going to see Chiche. Where's Chiche? Chiche follow Kuya Flint and Tito Hilton. You're so heavy na. Can you just walk? And later we buy food. Carry, but you're so heavy. See them, they left us already, but me and Chantal were still here. Mommy is so tired already. Chantal wants me to carry her. Iniwan ko kasi siya kanina, sila ng ate niya, cousin. At si ate Chinchin kasi nag-ano kami, yung sa Razor back ride ba yun? And then, umiyak siya. At ngayon, ayaw na niyang iwanan. Takot na siyang iwanan ulit. Aray ko, magpapakarga na. Chantal, you're so tired. I mean, I'm so tired. Let's go see their plants. So beautiful. They say flowers. Flowers? There. Purple flowers. Go. Wow, there. Let's walk. purple flowers there. Let's go. And the water. Come on. So nice here. Yeah, let's go find Chichi is playing there. Wow, this is the really nice flower. See this? Can we pick one? Wow. Wow, so beautiful flower. Do you want to pick one? But I'm scared. What if they get mad? So nice, right? Let's go to Chichi there. Wow, so nice. Yeah, okay. Wow. Say hooray! There you say hooray. So nice. And let's go to Chichi. Wow, there. What is in there? There's a lake. Wait, I heard Chichi is there, Chantal. I heard Chichi is shouting. It's so foggy here. So nice the weather. Wow, where to go? Here, so we have this. How to say this? Lodge Solo? How to say this?
Loose solo.
We have this ride.
Be careful, don't drop it or else
Yeah.
you're
Gonna ride this. Here. I'm gonna ride this with Krista. Wow, so beautiful. This the one. We're gonna choose helmets na. What color you want? Pink. Okay, how about me?
I don't know. Do they even fit on you?
Maybe.
Come on, go.
I cannot see.
Okay. I think this is the right posture.
You see our faces.
Our go to the side, go to the side, go to the side, go to the side.
Okay, our faces. I'm in front also. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Yay! Slow down! Slow down! Slow down! Slow down! Slow down! Slow down! Slow down!
What the heck? May lose side na ako.
Why? That's fun.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Our face not.
Slow down.
Okay.
Slow down. Look at the sign.
I know. You see our camera.
There's someone just sitting here.
Why your helmet is like that?
Nothing. Slow down. There's obstacles for some reason. I don't like obstacles.
It's okay.
It's fine if it's raining. Yeah. It's fine if it's raining, right? What do you want me to do? I'm already signed. How are we gonna... Sorry. I'm gonna go slowly. What the heck? It doesn't seem that... It should be nice. It's not that scary. It's not that scary, Mama. Except the rain or something. Can you see, Mama?
Yeah, I can.
Whoa! Oh, look over there.
Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
Look, it's the choo-choo train. The choo-choo train.
Sorry.
Finish. That's not that bad.